15 episodes, we have covered a lot. What AI actually is, what a prompt is, why you have been getting bad results, how to fix it, the craft method, the rule of 5, the clarify first rule, how to make your first $1. 20 built-in AI experts, 5 execution systems, real-life prompts, fast output prompts, JSON output control. This final episode pulls everything into one place. One cheat sheet, everything you need, always within reach. Let's build it. The rule of 5. Every strong prompt has 5 parts. Role, who AI is acting as. Goal, the exact task and outcome. Context, background, audience, purpose. Constraints, length, tone, what to avoid. Output, the format of the answer. Miss any one of these, and AI fills that gap with an average guess. Include all 5, and AI has everything it needs to produce something specific and useful. The craft method, context, why this prompt exists. Role, who AI is acting as. Action, the specific task and success criteria. Format, how to deliver the answer. Target, who this is for. The rule of 5 is the foundation. Craft is the blueprint. Use craft when you need a complete, well-structured prompt for anything important. The clarify first rule. Before you answer, ask me the questions you need so you can give me a better result. Never assume. Add this to any important prompt. It forces AI to gather context before it generates an answer. The response it gives after those questions is always more specific and always more useful. Use it for decisions, strategy, health, finance, anything where your specific situation affects the answer. Skip it for fast content, hooks, lists. The universal template. You are a role. Goal, objective, and success criteria. Context, audience, brand, purpose. Constraints, length, tone, what to avoid. Output, format, and number of options. This template works for every task. Every ad, every email, every content plan, every business strategy, every decision. Plug in your specifics, add the clarify first rule at the end, run it. The refinement prompts, never accept the first draft as final. The best result almost always lives in round 2 or 3. Use these to upgrade any output instantly. Rewrite this in a bold, luxury, conversational, or minimal tone. Keep the meaning, make it stronger. Shorten this to under 50, 100, or 150 words without losing any meaning. Give me 3 variations of this using stronger, more direct verbs. Rewrite this so the main benefit is in the first sentence. Give me a final polished version. Make it clean, professional, and ready to use. Iterate. The best output is never the first. Power words. Use these in your prompts to control tone, energy, and emotion. Energy. Bold, relentless, magnetic, unstoppable, sharp, driven. Emotion. Fearless, grateful, grounded, confident, focused, calm. Action. Build, launch, craft, sharpen, elevate, simplify, execute. Luxury. Refined, crafted, elevated, understated, precise, curated. Mindset. Discipline, clarity, grit, focus, intent, momentum, vision. Urgency. Now, immediately, fast, today. Trust. Proven, guaranteed, tested, reliable. The right word changes the tone of the entire response. Use them deliberately. Build your vault. This is the habit that separates people who get consistently great results from people who start from scratch every time. When a prompt produces something great, save it, not in your head, in a document, a note, a folder, label it, organize it. Come back to it. Over time, your personal prompt vault becomes your most valuable AI asset because it is built on what actually works for your voice, your brand, and your goals. Not what works on average, what works for you, your vault, your edge. 15 episodes. You started knowing AI was a prediction engine, but not knowing how to talk to it. Now you have the system. The rule of 5, the craft method, the clarify first rule, the universal template, the refinement prompts, experts, systems, vault. Stop guessing what to type. Stop accepting generic output. Stop leaving results on the table. You have the system. Plug it in, run it, get results. If you want everything from this series in one organized, ready-to-use system, the full prompt plug is linked below. Link is in the description. Thank you for watching this series. Now go get results. Now go get your motherfucking money.